Today on Currie Explained, we're going to go over our 1964 through 1973 Mustang spring plate and U-bolt kit. Hi guys, I'm John Henson for Currie Enterprises, and today I want to go over our Mustang kit, which is for your spring plate and your U-bolt. And this kit, what it's going to do is basically fit our Currie crate rear end 3-inch diameter tube. So if you purchase a 64 to 73 Currie 9-inch crate rear end for your Mustang, the diameter of the tube is actually larger than stock. On your Mustang from 64 to 73, it might have varied anywhere from like 2 1/4 all the way up to 2 3/4, and your factory U-bolts won't allow you to bolt this in. We go to a larger 3-inch diameter tube, and we also sell a plate kit and U-bolt kit that's going to allow you to bolt this onto your car. So the U-bolt is this here. You've got a thread pitch of 1/2 It's going to come with heavy-duty washers and nuts. And the way that's going to get installed is basically with your leaf spring in place, you're going to sandwich it here, just like I've done here on this side as well. And then you're going to slide over your U-bolt, and then slide up your spring plate, match it on the other side, and then you're going to install your washer, screw on the nut, and then once it's loosely mounted, you're going to tighten up those nuts in a cross pattern. So you don't want to do just one side and then one side, because then it'll bend the plate. You want to do it in a cross pattern. And then once it's all the way snug, you're going to torque these to about 95 foot-pounds. We do make these a little bit longer than factory. If you wanted to measure, it's going to be 8 inches from the top of the U-bolt here to the end. If you're running a car with lowering blocks, it'll give you a little bit more of leeway there in order to do so. Part number on this is going to be a CE-7007, which is specific to the 3-inch diameter U-bolt. We do make them in a 2 3/4 and 3 1/4 options as well, which you can find on our website. But I believe this to be a super important add-on if you're going to be installing a crate rear end in your Mustang. This will be a needed piece in order for you to do the installation. I think that goes over the spring plate and U-bolt kit for your 64 to 73 Mustang. If you have any questions in regards to this kit or anything, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. If you like this video, subscribe here. For more Currie tech videos, click right here. And for other Currie content, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys.